Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right in on how to use Airtable to manage your recurring tasks effectively with the most up-to-date 2025 guide. To start, you'll want to create a new base by clicking on the Add a Base button on your Airtable home screen. This is your workspace, where you're going to organize and manage all your recurring tasks. It's like setting up a control room for your tasks. Next up, you're going to add a new table by clicking the Add Table button. Think of this as setting up a new file cabinet in your control room. This is where you'll keep all your task records. Now that we've done that, add a new record by clicking the Add Record button. This is essentially creating a new file in your cabinet for each task. Let me explain why this matters. Each record is a unique task that you need to complete regularly. The next step is to set the frequency of your tasks. To do this, click on the Date field and select Customize Field Type, then pick Date, and check Include a Time field. This helps us because it allows you to set a specific time and date for your task, giving you control over when it needs to be done. Lastly, activate the Recurring Dates option. The reason we do this is to set the task to repeat at specific intervals, whether daily, weekly, monthly, or annually. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Airtable will automatically remind you when it's time to complete your task, so you never miss a beat. And there you have it. You've just set up your Airtable to manage your recurring tasks. It's a straightforward process, and once you've got it down, it'll make your work life that much easier. This tool ensures all your tasks are neatly organized, visible, and manageable, thereby increasing your productivity. Remember, the key lies in setting up your tasks correctly and letting Airtable do the rest. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, stay organized.